This video features standard cooking steps. You can scan the QR code on our packaging to view the easy cooking video. Video subtitles are available in multi-languages. The current cooking sauce is now sporting a brand new look. Our cooking sauces are a versatile base sauce that is great for cooking rice, meat, seafood or vegetables. Explore our other cooking sauces in the range. The Laksa fried rice cooking sauce is convenient and easy to use. Laksa fried rice is a mild, spicy coconut stir-fried rice laced with herbs. This rich stir-fry sauce allows you to whip up a full-bodied dish, inspired by laksa, one of Singapore's favorite dish. Here are the ingredients you will need. Make sure to use overnight steamed rice for the best results. Let's start cooking. Step 1. Heat up the oil on medium heat. Add garlic and shallots. Stir fry till fragrant. Step 2. Add beaten eggs and fry till fragrant. Then add in the rice. Step 3. Stir-fry the rice until it is smoking and well loosened. Add fish sauce and fry till fragrant. Step 4. Add Prima Taste Laksa fried rice cooking sauce and continue frying. Mix well and stir-fry till rice is loose and fragrant. Step 5. Add fish cake, prawns and tau pok before continuing to fry till fragrant. Finally, add water around the edge of the frying pan. Add in laksa leaves and mix well. And there you have it! Delicious laksa fried rice is ready to serve. Isn't it easy? Try it today. Check out our website for more cooking videos.